concerns from parents over the increasing COVID-19 cases in schools have been mounting. Education authorities believe it is not necessary for all schools to down the chalk. Basic Education says it has agreed with all stakeholders that the number of positive cases has not reached a point where schools must be shut down.
The case of the education sector, it means we need to do all we can to protect potential academic disaster. At all times, we follow the advice of public health who are supporting us in the management and the impact of COVID-19. And as a sector, from all the meetings I had this morning and even before, we are of view that schools must remain open. And saying so, we're not insensitive to the concerns raised about the rising infections.
And as the move to keep schools open appears to be aimed at avoiding an academic disaster, it seems that all is not well in the sector.
We meet with district directors to monitor how far we are going and what are the problems. But truth be told, the sector is very unstable, especially because of the differentiated timetabling. It's difficult to keep things together. If kids are going to come this week, they're not coming next week, they're coming this week, they're not coming. It really makes things difficult, but yeah, provinces are doing all they possibly can to defend the space that is still left for us to do quality learning and teaching.
As the department grapples with the ABCs of learning, vaccination plans for educators are now in full swing. Vaccines will be sent to different provinces from Sunday. The first vaccinations will be administered on Wednesday.
300,000 doses of J&J arrived in South Africa on Thursday, the 17th of June. We do expect that additional doses will be made available and that those will arrive in the country next week. Together with the Department of Health, we've agreed that 280,000 of the additional doses will be made available to basic education. And these doses are expected to only expire on the 8th of August, which means we'll have enough time to do the vaccinations. And as we've agreed that we will conclude this particular program within a period of 14 days.
582,000 people in the education sector are said to be vaccinated over the next 2 weeks. Mahla Kokomane, SABC News, Johannesburg.